You made it to the final stretch. Well done. These last 25 facts prove just how wild and brilliant the human body really is.
Fact number 76. The average person will produce enough saliva in a lifetime to fill 2 swimming pools. That's over 25,000 liters. Fact number 77. The pancreas produces both digestive enzymes and hormones, like insulin, making it one of the few organs with both endocrine and exocrine functions. Fact number 78. Your body contains about 0.2 milligrams of gold, mostly in your blood. While not enough to get rich, it plays a small role in joint and nerve function. Fact number 79. Bones are 5 times stronger than concrete, yet much lighter. Their internal honeycomb structure gives them strength without bulk.
Fact number 80. The average human spends about 1/3 of their life sleeping. That's roughly 25 years asleep if you live to 75.
Fact number 81. Your heartbeat can sync with music. Studies show that listening to rhythmic music can influence your heart rate and even blood pressure.
Fact number 82. The average sneeze travels at about 160 kilometers per hour, 100 miles per hour, faster than a cheetah.
Fact number 83. The brain has no pain receptors, so it can't feel pain itself. That's why brain surgery can be performed on conscious patients.
Fact number 84. Your belly button is home to thousands of bacteria, some of which are unique to you and form their own tiny ecosystem. Fact number 85. Human hair grows faster in warm weather. Higher temperatures increase blood circulation to the scalp, which boosts growth. Fact number 86. The human eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors, but can't see ultraviolet light, which many animals can. Fact number 87. Blood is red because of iron in hemoglobin, but it can look blue through the skin due to how light penetrates and scatters. Fact number 88. Your nose can remember 50,000 different scents, some of which can trigger memories faster than visual cues. Fact number 89. Skin wounds heal faster when you sleep. During rest, the body increases cell regeneration and reduces inflammation. Fact number 90. Laughter triggers the release of endorphins, lowers stress hormones, and even boosts circulation, making it a true natural medicine. Fact number 91. Yawning helps cool the brain. When you yawn, it increases blood flow and draws in cool air to regulate brain temperature. Fact number 92. Your bones are constantly being broken down and rebuilt. This remodeling process replaces about 10% of your skeleton every year. Fact number 93. The strongest bone in the human body is the femur. It can withstand over 1,800 to 2,500 pounds of force, more than most building materials. Fact number 94. The appendix may help repopulate gut bacteria after illness. It acts as a safe house for beneficial microbes during infections. Facts number 95. It takes only 90 seconds for alcohol to reach your brain after drinking. The effects start almost immediately. Fact number 96. Most of the dust in your home is actually dead skin cells. Humans shed up to 1 million skin cells per day. Fact number 97. Cold temperatures can boost calorie burn. Shivering activates brown fat, which burns energy to generate heat. Fact number 98. Your fingernails grow faster than your toenails, about 3 times faster. This is due to higher blood flow and frequent use. Fact number 99. The stomach renews its lining every 3 to 4 days to protect itself from its own acid. Without this, it would digest itself.
Fact 100. Your brain keeps developing until about age 25. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making and impulse control, is the last to mature. 100 medical facts, some crazy, some brilliant, all true. Hit like, leave a comment, and share if your brain is still intact after that.